This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by equipping Yukimiya with the Azure Latch build and confirming your control calibration. Do this now so inputs register cleanly. Once done, position your character in a neutral stance and charge the meter to roughly 30% to prime the gyro shot. Then initiate the first inputs. A quick tilt followed by a timed button press to latch the initial vector. This creates the projectile arc you'll manipulate. Make sure to feel the control response before moving to continuous execution. You now execute the core gyro sequence that defines the shot. Perform a quick tilt, hold for about 0.2 seconds, and release to shape the arc precisely. Once this basic vector is set, cancel the recovery by layering a secondary skill within approximately 12 frames. This keeps momentum and prevents a vulnerability window. Make sure to monitor your energy so you can chain another gyro shot. Keep it above 45% to ensure both shots land without interruption. You finish the maneuver by applying a slight countertilt immediately after release to stabilize the projectile and lock its trajectory into the target window. If the shot consistently misses, recalibrate gyro sensitivity down by about 10% and repeat the sequence to regain predictable response. Finally, use a slow motion or test mode to isolate timing issues and practice the frame cancels. This will reveal whether misses are input timing or aim offset. Keep adjusting in small increments until performance is reliable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.